Updates come in. We have a reaction coming in from the BJP. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi has rejected the allegation and instead, interestingly, he has accused Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar of horse trading within their own party. Prahlad Joshi hinting that there is such a divide within the Congress party. There is horse trading not with the other parties but within the Congress party itself. Listen in.
ಅವರು ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಂತಾನೆ ಇಡಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರ ಗದ್ದಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಲಫಡ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಯಾರೇನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಗತ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಸರಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು 55 ಮಂದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದು ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತಂತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಶಾಸಕರದು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕ್ರೋಢೀಕರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮನಿ ಪವರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
My colleague Neha Hebale is also on the broadcast with us with the details. And Neha, interesting charge being leveled by Prahlad Joshi. He claims that the divide within the Congress party is such that the horse trading is taking place within the party. Interestingly, this claim comes at a time when Randeep Surjewala is going to be in Bengaluru to meet the leader amid a lot of buzz over CM change.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Of course, on one hand, we're seeing here the massive allegations that are being made now by a Congress MLA here stating that ED, in fact, of course, is going to be blackmailing them, is going to be threatening them. But on the other hand, you also now have BJP here responding to this, saying that there's so much infighting happening within the Congress party itself that there isn't any need right now for, in fact, anybody else to actually cause the party's downfall. Meanwhile, on the other hand, like you rightly pointed out, we've been seeing the manner in which Randeep Singh Surjewala, of course, has been in Bengaluru. He's been doing multiple rounds over here, of course, to, of course, the city, meeting many MLAs, meeting many leaders, taking their opinion on, of course, the party's leadership on the whole. We'll really have to wait and see right now as to what this explosive claim that's now coming here from the Congress MLA really means politically.